So I've got this powder, and this powder used to come from when I was taking the components off circuit boards. This is what was left over. I was using a little hammer drill, and I've put it in the XRF machine before, and it's showing up gold, silver, copper. There's all sorts in there. So I'm just going to put it in the XRF machine again and do another test, and then I'm going to get it in acid. So I've got a little sample on a dish. I'm going to put this in the XRF machine. Obviously there's so much powder, we're getting mixed readings on there. So we'll see what's on there this time with this little lot. I'll fast forward this bit. So that's showing no gold in there at all. 12.5% silver and copper. And let's move it to a different spot. Let's see what reading we get. Yeah, sometimes I'm getting gold, other times nothing, and sometimes loads of silver. So it's because it's powder, it's just a mixed reading. So I'll fast forward this again. So there we've got 5.33% gold, 9.81 silver, 10.25 copper. So we're getting mixed readings every time. So I'm just going to put this in acid and dissolve it all and refine any gold and silver that's in there. Right, I'm just going to weigh this now, this powder, just so I know roughly how much nitric acid to put in there. ,372 grams. So that's over 1/3 of a kilo there in dust. So we'll get that in acid. So this is that powder. I'm putting it into my largest beaker because there's going to be all sorts of metals in there, and I think the reaction is going to be vigorous. So I'm going to put about 25% nitric and 75% water to start with, just to get it going, because I don't want it to overboil and go crazy. So we'll do that first. So this is that powder, and this has been in nitric acid for 2 days now. There's no more colour coming from it, so I'm going to start filtering this. I've got a filter in there set up. Let's see if we can separate the solids. The solids is where the gold's going to be, if there is any. Surprisingly, that's filtering alright. Steady drip going there. So yeah, we'll let that do its thing. When I finish with the pump and the other projects, I'll put it onto this one. Okay, we'll let that do its thing. So this powder, it's in nitric acid. It is really clogged up now, it's coming out so slow. I've got some other stuff going on there. Once that's finished, I can put that on the machine and pull it out a lot faster. I'm still filtering this powder. It's just coming out so slow. fully washed through yet as well. So this powder is still filtering. Leave that overnight, it should be done. So this is the waste we got from the powders, and this is the solids that was left after the nitric wash. So I'm going to put some Acarija in this next, dissolve any gold specks that be in there. I'm going to put some copper in this, there was only silver. Do that next. So this is that powder. It was in Acarija all night and most of the day, and then I've put some ice in it to cool it down, and now I'm going to filter it and hopefully drop out some gold. Let's wait and see. So I've got well over half of it in the funnel, and that's what's left, and it's filtering out alright at the moment. I've got to apologise for that beaker, it's very cloudy. You can see the yellow fluid coming through there, the solution. We'll see if there's any gold in there when it's all filtered. So this dust is all filtered, but I'm just washing it through now. Just added some water in there just to get the rest of it out. And this is the solution after. Well, I hope there's a bit of gold in there. I didn't use that much chemicals. So yeah, we'll see when this lot's done. We'll try and drop this out, see if there's some gold in there. This is the one I put copper in. I don't think there's any silver in there. Can't see any specks of silver at all. So this would have been from the nitric acid boil. Not dropping anything out. We'll filter it and have a look after. Well, I hope there's some gold in there. It's coming through lovely and clear, considering how dirty that is. Anyway, we'll wait and see. So this is all fully filtered now. I've rinsed it through, and this is the liquid. So I'm going to add some urea now. But I can't mix it in water because I don't have enough. The beaker's not big enough. So I'm just going to put it in there, see what reaction we got. Straight away. So we've got excess nitric in there. Way too much. I think what I'll do is I'll put it in a bigger beaker. So I just managed to catch it in time before it overflowed and got it into this big beaker. This is way too big for what I want, but at least we won't have a boil over. So it's died down the reaction. I'm going to put a bit more urea in, see if we've got any more reaction. Yeah. So there's way too much nitric in there. So it wouldn't have had to dissolve much. Oh, it didn't last long, that reaction, so let's try a bit more urea. That's it, reaction's finished now, so I can make up some sodium metabisulfite and put that in now. So finished with this one. I'm going to make up some sodium metabisulfite and then put that in there. So I've come back out to this after probably 2 hours and it's gone a bit darker, but not a lot. So I'm not getting my hopes up. Looks like it could be another foul. Okay, this is that powder that was in Aqua Regia. So it's been on all night and it's the next day. So I'm going to pour it off and see if there's any gold at the bottom. Right, that's all poured off into another beaker, and what was left was that there. There's a tiny bit. I don't even know if that's going to weigh anything when it's dried, because that is mainly liquid. Well, there's a little tiny bit of gold in there, but I don't even know if that's enough to cover the acids. I'll put it in a small beaker and wash it out and we'll see what we've got left. So this is what we've got left. I'll put it into a small beaker. Washed it through with hot water. I'm just going to dry it out now. There's not a lot there at all. I'll dry it out and see if we can weigh it. I thought it would have been more because there was quite a bit of powder there, but there you go. That's what we got. So I'll come back when it's dry. So this is all dried out now. But to me that looks like silver, not gold. We'll put this in the XRF machine. Right, I got a sample from that powder, and this was supposed to be gold, but it looked like silver. So I'm going to put it in the XRF machine and see what's in there. Do that straight away. Fast forward this bit. Right, so there's not one speck of gold in there by the looks of it, it's just silver. 65% silver. So that was a foul. It was showing up there was gold in there when I had it in powder form, but I don't know what's happened to it. Maybe it had steel in there, maybe the steel dropped it, or I don't know what happened to it. But anyway, if there was any gold in there wouldn't have been a lot. So we'll call this a foul. Nothing was there. A bit of silver, I don't even know if it's a gram. But that's that done. Hopefully we'll move on to something a bit better than this. Just going to see if that silver weighed anything. Third of a gram. It's so bad. Well, you win some, you lose some. But thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll have something better to show you next time.